everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I'm coming on today to show you a birthday card that I've made for Aisha, who is the artsy grandma. She's got a challenge going on and she wants you to make her a birthday card and to send her something that you like making. So I've done her this birthday card and I'll leave the link in the description box because the challenge goes on until, I can't remember now whether it's August or September, but it's quite a long time left. So I've used brown craft cardstock and, well, it's a ready-made card actually, card base. And this is, let me show you. Amy from Aljon, she was doing some a couple of years ago where she was gluing napkins over the top of colouring book pages, and I thought, oh, that's such a good idea. And she was making cards with them, and I decided to back mine onto some green card. I thought, oh, that'll make a nice card. Well, it was awful, so I didn't do anything with it. So I thought, oh, well, I know what I'll do. Aisha likes pinks and purples, so I thought, oh, that'll be pretty. So I've just cut a piece off to fit on the card, and then I've just sewn it in wavy wiggly woggly lines round the edge and then just glued it on. And then I've got these little letters that I think I got from, I don't know, I think it was oh, I can't think of the name of the shop, one of the cheap shops anyway. Not B&M's, what's the other one we have round here? Home Bargains, I think it was, a long time ago, and I don't think I've used them, so I think that's quite pretty. And then just there was a little piece left, so I just sewed on that as well and stuck that on the back and used my lovely Betsy Doodle stamp that Evelyn bought me. Thank you, Evelyn. And I think that is really pretty. So that's that. I'm using stuff up that I've made for 2 years ago. So that's that. And then the other thing I'm going to send her, something I like making, is these flowers. I'm not going to take it out of the packet. I've just done the pack. Just a minute. It's a bit loud, that back. Well, this is the paper pack I've used for the backing papers. Falling on the floor. Yeah, so the flowers are, I've shown these lots and lots of times. I learned how to do them quite a few years ago. I can't remember the lady's name offhand. Spare Marbles and Diana, I think her name is. That's who I learnt from. And what you basically do is cut up pieces of, you can either cut circles or squares. I can't remember which Diana did, but I just cut little squares, nothing fancy. It's like a satiny type, what would you call it? Yeah, satiny type. Doesn't want to be cotton because it won't work, but a satiny, or like you know, like the linings you get in clothes sometimes, that sort of thing. I can't think. It's probably polyester, is it? I don't know. And then you just singe the edges of it. Well, lots of people use a candle. I can't get on with a candle, so I just use a little lighter. And I tend to, I've not actually assembled any flowers for a long time. These are some I've made up, but I just have days where I just feel like making petals, so I have petals at hand ready for when I want to make flowers. So I'm gonna send her a packet of those for her to put on projects. And I thought, well, I'll put it nicely in a bag, so I've chopped a piece of it. Oh, and when I used to I always used to package things nicely, and I've got out of doing that recently. And I always used to fasten it at the top here, and then you would stick this on, and then it was hard to get undone. And then my lovely friend Penny Humphreys, she started doing it at the bottom, and I thought, oh, how simple. So this is where you undo it, and I've just put that there so Aisha knows that it's not fastened at the top there, because you can't always see where the thing is. Oh, I'm talking twaddle, aren't I? Yeah, so that's those, and I've also made another packet up for Lynn from Lynn Evans too, because she's got a challenge going on as well, so there for Lynn. But yes, that's my little share for today. Well, you won't be seeing this today. Today is July the 21st. Oh, I'm not going to be posting them until the weekend, I don't think. But yeah, I think I'm going to make some more of these cards up, because I think it's quite pretty. Just, yeah. Right, thanks for watching. Thank you, Aisha, for the challenge, and good luck to everyone, and I hope you like them. Thank you. Take care. Bye.